Part of the problem that we have in our relationships these days is that we are dependent on the other person to entertain us, that we're dependent on them for attention, affection, appreciation, acceptance. We work at home, we live at home, we cohabitate at home. There's no difference, there's no contrast, there's no opportunity for us to have conversations about things that happen throughout the day because we see each other all the time. And while we're getting the opportunity to realize the dream of working from home and being in our pajamas and being surrounded by the things that make us comfortable, we're also experiencing this other part of life that says, I'm bored and I'm unfulfilled and I lack connection, and I'm trying to seek that connection from my partner, but my partner can only provide so much. They can only provide so much, and we need other people in our lives. We need time alone. We need time with ourselves, and our partner needs that as well. They need time by themselves. They need time with other people. That way we can all come together and we can have something to talk about, so that we can have something to share and be curious about, so that we can have experiences. I mean, one of the things that we say when I'm talking with a man, I'll ask him, like, what is it that you want out of this relationship? What are you seeking in life? And he'll say, well, I love this person. I like spending time with this person. I want connection with this person. And what they're really talking about is they're talking about creating their own life. They're talking about having a life to invite this other person into. But when we spend every waking moment with someone, then there's nothing really to invite them into. They're already there. And when we go out and have experiences, when we go out and interact with other people, we bring that back with us. It's like we go out and collect these things and we bring them back, and we're able to share them with the other people in our life, with our partner. And so this is something that we really want to be mindful of, that going out and having experiences, having time to ourselves is extremely important for us, and it's extremely important for the other person in our life, right? Our romantic partner, our wife, our girlfriend. We really want to be able to have something to invite them into, and that means we have to have a life for ourselves, independent of, separate from, not dependent on that other person.